The coronavirus pandemic continues to surge across most of the United States tonight, with health experts warning the country is worse off than it's ever been. At the same time, President Trump is pressuring governors to reopen schools, even though there may not be a nationwide plan that's available. ABC's Inez de la Cutera has tonight's top story at 10.
The White House ramping up the pressure for in-school learning to resume in the fall.
Ultimately, it's not a matter of if schools should reopen. It's simply a matter of how. They must fully open, and they must be fully operational.
The number of COVID-19 cases in the U.S. now topping 3 million, and cases rising in at least 36 states. But President Trump threatening to withhold federal funding from public schools that do not reopen. Trump also blasting his own CDC's guidelines to reopen schools, calling them tough, and now directing the CDC to prepare new guidelines.
The president said today we just don't want the guidance to be too tough. And that's the reason why next week CDC is going to be issuing a new set of tools.
But health experts say that's not the right approach.
We need to close bars. We need to close indoor large gatherings. We need to have everybody wearing masks. If we start all that now, I think there's a pretty good shot we can open schools and keep them open all fall.
The president has also repeatedly not followed the guidelines from his own top medical experts, publicly breaking with Dr. Anthony Fauci.
The current state is really not good.
But Trump insisting in an interview on great television.
Well, I think we are in a good place. I disagree with him. You know, Dr. Fauci said don't wear masks, and now he says wear them.
Vice President Pence now saying as the White House works with Congress on the next round of financial support for states, they will be looking for incentives to get kids back in school. Inez de la Cutera, ABC News, Washington.